Ever wonder how some guys manage to have that perfectly styled, full-bodied hair that lasts all day? That effortless matte finish that looks natural, yet styled? The secret isn't complicated. It's in this little bottle right here. Introducing the ultimate game-changer texture powder. This isn't just any hair product. This is the power to control, define, and elevate your look with just a sprinkle. Watch as this ultralight powder turns flat, lifeless hair into a voluminous masterpiece, instantly. Want more texture? More grip? More volume? This does it all, without weighing you down. Feel that? That's control. That's volume. And the best part? It's all reworkable. Start with a bold pompadour for the day, and transition to a sleek faux hawk for the night. You won't need to reach for another product. No stickiness, no greasy residue, just clean, matte, touchable hair with a grip that stays. It's perfect for that lived-in, effortless style everyone craves. And the results? Transformative. Whether you're heading to work, a night out, or just want to look good for yourself, Texture Powder gives you hair that looks naturally thicker, with more body, more hold, and more confidence. Say goodbye to the shiny, oily scalp struggle. Need volume? Apply it to damp hair and watch it come to life. Want that gritty, textured finish? Sprinkle it into dry hair. And the best part, it's as easy to use at home as it is for your barber or stylist. It works with your scalp's natural oils so you get a matte look without compromising hair health. For the professional or for your personal routine, Texture Powder delivers salon-quality results every single time. Whatever your style, wherever you are, now's your chance to unlock the secret to perfect hair, effortlessly full, textured, and reworkable. It's time to experience the control, the volume, and the texture you've always wanted. Because great hair doesn't have to be complicated, it just needs the right tool. Ready to level up your look? Hit the link in the description below to get yours today. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you're ready for that perfect, reworkable style. Share this with someone who could use a hair upgrade. Texture Powder. It's time to give your hair what it deserves.